Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you all another Bharatham stores haul. So let's get started. The first two items are these dusters. This was 42. And this was 50. The next item was this damper. Comes with a lid and a sponge. You wet the sponge and helps you in counting money easily. The next item, foam sheets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Got these for a DIY project. The next items were these plates. 17 rupees. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, ink pen ink. Next were these scoops. They were priced at rupees 12 per piece. I got them 4. And then was the spray bottle. Two more spray bottles. A pack of instant coffee mix. Containers. More containers. Some more containers. Some more. And the final 2 containers. Then I bought this just to give it a try. Hand sanitizer, stamp pad, and finally a permanent marker on black and a pen. That's it. Hope you like this haul. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye. Smile Jesus loves you.